Hi everyone, today we are checking out the Eksa E5BT wireless headset. It is a versatile gaming wireless Bluetooth headset for users to enjoy quality sound audio when gaming. Let us check out what is inside the box. Inside the box users will find one Eksa E5 Bluetooth headphone, one accessory pack that contains some wiring and manuals. All packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Eksa E5 looks very sturdy in quality. At the side of the headset, there are control buttons like a Bluetooth mode button, power button. Let us power it on. I like that there is a scrollable volume control wheel for me to turn up or turn down the volume when I need to. There is a charging port too for you to charge up the headset when battery is low. There is an option to connect to the headset via a cable if you want. I can also connect to the headset wirelessly by the dongle provided. Also, charging up is simple with the USB-C cable provided. Great. For me, I like to connect to it via Bluetooth, easy and simple. Gaming is really enjoyable, be it watching movies, or listening music. The experience is great, sound is clear and crisp, and it is enjoyable to listen to the game effects and audio as it is clear and crisp. So immersive when gaming with the Eksa E5 headset. It is also comfortable wearing on the Eksa E5 headset with its padded design. Gaming is comfortable. There is a mic for ease of communication to your gaming peers. The headband is adjustable to fit your sizing, and it is also durable. Great design. Overall, it is a good headset for my gaming needs. I like it that the Eksa E5 has a sturdy build quality, amazing quality look and feel, and also great features for all my gaming needs. It is enjoyable for me to use it as a daily driver when I am gaming with it. If you want to find out more about the Eksa E5, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.